How to use import from other module, inventory in and inventory out. In accounting module, you can import inventory in from CRM module. Same also applies for inventory out. To import, go to Accounting, select Transactions, and then select Import from other modules, and then click Inventory in. For inventory out, you can just click the inventory out. To choose which account to be put on for default debit to and default credit to, you have to make sure that you have created the accounts related to the transaction in Chart of Accounts. Same also applies for inventory out. Tick the box of which transaction that you want to import into accounting. Once you have done the selection, click Import on top right of the page. Once you have imported the transaction, remember to approve the transaction for it to be included in the reports. To approve the transaction, you can go to Accounting, select Transaction, go to My Location, and then click Active. Under the status panel, you will see the list of your imported transaction, and then click Approve to approve the transaction. To view list of your imported transaction, go to Accounting, Transactions, Import from other modules, and then click Inventory in. On top right of the page, select Imported. Then, you will see the transaction that you have imported into accounting. Same also applies for import from other modules, inventory out. Thank you for watching.